Hello, so do you know that you can take the shortest time possible when solving this maths problem? So let's work it out within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's now start with our solution. So in our solution we have 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a is equals to 40. So how do we go about this? So we have to factorize 4 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a. So this one can also be done as 4 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 40. So from there now we shall work out the number that is inside the bracket. So here now we shall have 4 to the power of a, then into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 40. So here now we shall divide both sides by 2, so that 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now 4 to the power of a is equals to, so here now we shall have 20. So now, what is now the value for a now? So in this case here, for us to work the value of a effectively, we shall introduce the log from both sides. So here now, we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of a, or the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log of 20. So we all know that suppose we have the log of m to the power of p, this one can also be written as p log m. So here now we shall have a, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 20. So divide both sides by the log of 4 so that we can work it out very fast. So divide by the log of 4. This side also divide by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel each other. So now our value for a is equals to the log of 20. All over here we shall now have the log of 4. So the next time, or the next thing that you need to do, is to factorize the log of 20 all over the log of 4. So this one now we shall work it as, so the log of 20 can be factorized as, now we shall now have a is equals to, so the log 20 can also be written as 4 multiplied by 5. Then we shall have into bracket all over the log of 4. So here now we shall now say that, assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by the log of b. So this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So there now we shall now have a is equals to, here now we shall have the log of 4 plus the log of 5 there, all over all of these ones we shall work it by. So the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2. So now our a, so the value for a here is equals to, so the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2 all over. So this one we shall also have the log of 2 to the power of 2, then there plus, so now we shall have plus the log of 5 all over, so the log of 2 to the power of 2, so the log of 2 to the power of 2. So the next step now we shall say that, so the log of 2, or the log of 2 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2 log 2. So now we shall have 2 log 2 all over 2 log 2. So here now we shall have, or we shall say that we shall now have 2, so 2 log 2 there, sorry, so 2 log 2. So that is what we shall now have all over, again 2 log 2, then plus, so we have the log of 5, so the log of 5 there, then all over 2 log 2, so 2 the log of 2. So here now 2 log 2 and 2 log 2 shall cancel each other, so that now our value for a shall now be equals to, so here now we shall remain with 1 there, then plus, so here now we shall have the log of 5, then all over 2 log 2, so all over 2 log 2. So next one we shall say that our value for a in this case, so a is equals to 1, then plus, so this one now shall have it as 1 over 2 the log of 5 to the base of 2. So now we shall now conclude and say that this one now is our value for a. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel.